On the previous video, we deal with the different ways of classifying hydraulic turbines. Now, in this video, we will focus on the differences between Pelton and Francis turbine. Before focusing on the main differences between Pelton and Francis turbine, let us know a bit about Pelton and Francis turbine. So, Pelton turbine was invented by Lesser Allen Pelton in 1870s, and generally this type of turbine is used in case of high head and low discharge. Furthermore, in this type of turbine, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy before the jet strikes the bucket of the runner. So, this type of turbine is also known as impulsive turbine. The components of Pelton turbine are nozzle with flow regulation system, runner with buckets, casing, braking jet, etc. Francis turbine was developed by James B. Francis. It is the common type of turbine used nowadays. Francis turbine is mixed flow turbine having flow in radial and axial direction. Francis turbine is also known as reactive turbine that utilizes both kinetic and pressure energy for the rotation of turbine. Furthermore, Francis turbine is also known as medium head turbine and medium discharge turbine and medium specific speed turbine. Now, after knowing certain things about Pelton and Francis turbine, we can draw the main differences between them. Now, the first difference is on the basis of energy at inlet. So, on the basis of energy at inlet, Pelton turbine is impulsive turbine, while the Francis turbine is your reactive turbine. The second difference is on the basis of direction of flow. So, on the basis of direction of flow, Pelton turbine is tangential flow turbine, while our Francis turbine is mixed flow turbine. Likewise, the third difference is based on head. So, on the basis of head, Pelton turbine is high head turbine, while Francis turbine is medium head turbine. Likewise, fourth difference is on the basis of discharge. So, on the basis of discharge, Pelton turbine is low discharge turbine, while Francis turbine is medium discharge turbine. Likewise, finally, on the basis of specific speed of turbine, Pelton turbine can be classified as low specific speed turbine, while our Francis turbine can be considered as medium specific speed turbine. So guys, if you think this video is useful, you can like and share to your friends. And for such videos, you can subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you, and we will meet in another video soon.